Hi guys! Finally we arrived for instructions in modeling in Autodesk Inventor. When we open the software, this first page that we see is home screen. We can see it from here, and also we can choose it from letterhead get started, my home branch, and use it. We are here. Or when we are in environments, for example we are in a part environment, we can use it from above, home, or from below, home. Now we are in home. In home screen we have three main panels: new panel, projects, and recent documents. Also in new panel we have four branches: name, parts, assemble, drawing, and presentation. Every of these branch has a specific suffix. We can see from here. Part suffix is IPT and assembly suffix is IAM. And for drawing we have two suffix. One of them IDW for Inventor and another DWG for AutoCAD. In the future we explain it that this DWG. It's very important to know these suffixes and we should know about them. For example, in home screen we see this drawing. We should know when we see IPT, it's a part. Or here when we see this IAM, we know that it's assembly with this suffix IAM. In the second panel, projects panel, when you install this software for the first time, you just see default in this panel. But in my software you can see two other projects, name, Borna, and sheet metal. And I teach you in this session how to make new project. But let's activate this. If we activate sheet metal project, you can see just two drawing here, because I had made another project named sheet metal here. And again back to default, but in default you can see all drawing here. Okay. And in the second panel, recent documents, you can organize your drawings. For example, file types, if we deactivate, for example we want just parts, we activate parts. Now we can see just parts, IPT here. Or just assemblies, you can see just assemblies, suffix IAM, or assembly plus parts, you can see assembly IAM and also IPT, but the default is all. Also you can sort by recently opened, date modified. For example, it's the last drawing I had made. A name, location and size, and date modified. If we use all dates or last days, because I didn't had any drawing last day, we see nothing here. Last month I had drawing these three sheet metals, but the default is all dates, and here the default is recently opened. Now let me explain letterhead get started and new branch. One of the most important branch here is new. When we want to create a new environment like part, assembly, drawing, and presentation, we click here and choose new. Here we can see a lot of icons. If we close it, we see various icons here. If we click here, the details are here. Units, inch. If we want to use inch, we have this. And if we want millimeters, In this branch, metric, we have part, assembly, drawing, and presentation by millimeters. Also, we can see here units, millimeters, and we create. Again, come back to home. Other branch is open. When we want to open files, for example, we had draw something before. For example, black plate. We see here, open. We can open it from, again, can open it from here. Choose the file, bottom cap, open. And make changes and save it again. Come back here. We can also close them here. And project. Now we want to know how to make a new project here. We should use letterhead get started and projects branch. Here you can choose new. If you want to make a project with other people in the internet, you can use new valid project, but in the default, new single user project for us is enough. Next, here you can name, for example, inventor mechanism, and also pathway, for example, desktop. Can use YouTube, okay, and finish. Now we can see inventor mechanism project in projects panel here and in use, but you see nothing here because we hadn't draw anything here. Okay, and in default can activate default or activate inventor mechanism. Now if we use inventor mechanism here and use new, now the part environment have create here, and we can see here. If we save it, we can see it here. For example, new with the right circle. Let's have it. If we save it, save, we can see it in inventor mechanism project here. Okay, and if we want to delete this project, what should you do? Again, project. If we active inventor mechanism, we can delete it. You see, it's blocked. We should activate another project. For example, default. Say the active project cannot be changed while inventor files are open. Okay, we close it. Now activate default. Now we can delete it. Okay, done. Inventor mechanism project is not here. Okay, so it's enough for this session. Now we learn about home screen, panels, create environments, and create new single project. So if you liked, subscribe our channel for the better education and turn on notification for the next video. Like our videos and share our channel to your friends. See you in the next session. Help us stay with us.